The chief minister directed the officials to reach the spot immediately and expedite the relief work. He also gave instructions for proper treatment of the injured. At least 2 people were killed and 5 others injured in a blast at a firecracker factory operating from a house in Gudamba area in Uttar Pradesh's Lucknow on Sunday, police said. The blast in the Beta area of Gudamba at around 12 noon also damaged adjacent houses. According to officials, a part of the roof collapsed due to the explosion, trapping at least 2 individuals under the debris. Rescue teams have rushed to the spot, and operations are currently underway to save those trapped. Assistant Commissioner of Police ACP Anindya Vikram Singh said, the blast occurred in a house where the cracker factory was operating from. 2 people have been killed in the incident, and some are injured. A part of the roof collapsed following the explosion, trapping 5 individuals under the debris. The 5 have been pulled out of the rubble and rushed to a hospital. Rescue teams comprising fire brigade, ambulances, and local police are undertaking rescue work at the spot, the ACP added. District Magistrate Vishak G., who, along with senior police officials, visited the blast site, said, condition of 2 of the injured remains critical. The remaining 3 injured are stable. The blast was so strong that it also affected the adjacent houses. At least 4 other houses beside the one in which the blast occurred have been damaged in the blast, the DM said. Our first priority is to ensure that the injured get adequate medical care. Once that is done, our teams will look into the reasons behind the incident and those involved in it, he said. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has taken cognizance of the incident and extended his condolences to the families of the deceased. He has also instructed officials to reach the site immediately to expedite relief and rescue efforts. He has directed officials to ensure that the injured are provided with immediate hospital care and proper treatment, while also wishing them a speedy recovery. The Chief Minister instructed the district administration to reach the site without delay and expedite relief and rescue operations. An investigation into the cause of the explosion is also expected. With PTI inputs also read up sheds its Bimaru tag, emerges in top 5 states for industrial jobs in annual survey also read everyone was at home. Nika's sister breaks silence after CCTV shows the pin.